Hi, my name is Paul Friedman. I have founded the Marriage Foundation, and if you've been subscribing, you know that the Marriage Foundation's approach is so different from everyone else. I used to be a divorce mediator, so I approached marriage very practically. And it doesn't mean that I didn't get into feeling, on the contrary, but I got into the deepest feeling of love. And I made that the pole star for helping my clients. And over the years, it's been over 20 years, we've developed some systems and methods that are just incredible. They really help people. So this topic is ways to make your husband fall back in love with you. I'm going to repeat it. Ways to make your husband fall back in love with you. And the reason I'm repeating it is because it is a flawed concept. It is a flawed concept because it implies that if you do this, and look, there's books out there and there's other videos out there that have things like 7 ways to make your husband fall back in love with you. And truly sincere, good women write them down, and they think about, how do I do this, how do I do that, and how do I make this happen, and things like make him special dinners and take him out and give him a massage and stuff like that. None of it works. None of that stuff works. It doesn't work because he already fell in love with you. But you're not nurturing, you're not cultivating that love. You're not cultivating the devotion. You have not learned how to open up your heart. And you go, no, you don't understand. I do all kinds of things for him. I love him to death. No, it's not what I'm talking about. It isn't what you do. It's where you're coming from that matters. You know, we all know people who behave in ways much like other people that we know, but for some reason, people really take to them. They really are, they connect with them, they get them. Why? It's because most people behave, I'm going to change that word, act in a way to win friends, influence people, connect with people, instead of doing what works. What works? Well, this is a very deep topic. You see, we're not taught what we are. We don't grow up learning that we are actually souls. And what is the nature of a soul? A soul is love. A soul is joy. But we don't learn that. At best, we learn that we have a soul. That's fine, but it's not the truth. The truth is that we are a soul. Essentially, that is what you are. And you have a mind. And you have a body. But no one ever taught this to you. What is the nature of the soul? Why is this so important? Why am I stressing this so much? It is so important because the very nature of you the soul, is love itself. We all have heard God created us in His image. Did He mean with our long hair? Don't I have beautiful long hair? And our fingers and toes? Is that what the image of God is? Or is the image of God pure, unadulterated love, joy, wisdom? This is the true nature of God. This is how God created us. And then He gave us these gifts. The gift of creation. Think of it as a gift given just to you. because God knows each of us individually. He gave you this gift of creation. And in order for you to enjoy creation, and I know it's rough, you're not enjoying it, He gave you free will. He gave you a mind with which to operate. He gave you senses in which to appreciate the beauty of the sky, the smell of the flower. He gave these things to you, but you don't come from that place. What happened? All of us got trapped in our mind, got trapped in our habits, got trapped in the mundane existence. And now you feel this disconnect from your soulmate. It's so sad. How do you reinvigorate this connection? It's simple. Is it easy? No, because our minds have taken our lives over. But it's simple. And that simplicity is to become you, the soul, the heart. Become love. I'll give you a little experiment you could try right now, just so I could show you that it is possible. Right now, put your hand, your right hand on your heart. Feel your heart, not a beating pump. Feel the warmth of love. Feel it. Feel that warmth radiate throughout your body. Close your eyes. Let that feeling consume your body, consume your environment. Feel the joy associated with that love. This is the truth of who you are. This is what you need to learn how to reconnect with, and then bring it back into your marriage. Most people live on this mundane plane. They don't have the benefits of marriage. When I started working with people, and by the way, if you want to become a TMF counselor, we're going to start training people. So write to us and ask about it. But this is how I help people. I didn't go into, oh, your husband's a narcissist and your brother was a jerk and your mother was an idiot. Forget all that stuff. You have free will from this moment forward. Learn how to appreciate the soul, who you are. Learn how to cultivate devotion, love. There's manifestations. There's gratitude, appreciation. Those come naturally. You want to make your husband fall back in love with you because he fell in love with you because you're soulmates. He knew you. He knew you from the past and he wanted to have that experience of love again. But you let him down and he let you down. And now you could lead the way by becoming that which is what he seeks. Pure love. No arguments. No fighting anymore. No criticism. No complaining. There's nothing in the world that is worthy of a complaint. It's going to eventually work out or not work out anyway. Forget all that stuff. Go for the love. Go for the love. I hope this has helped you see things better. I want you to have the greatest marriage imaginable. And you can. We've taught thousands of people using the Course for Women, and thousands of people who read my books, and thousands of people. I mean, we have over 27,000 subscribers who just watch these videos and learn. You can have it all. Thank you for joining me. God bless you. Take care.